Hello there, Leslie here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. What I want to cover with you today is what I consider to be the best business working from home for mums. Okay, but before I carry on and give you all the lowdown, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell, and give me a nice smiley comment where you're tuning in from. Then I'll be able to give you lots of information on any inquiries that you may have going forward. So just to give you a little bit of background for those of you who haven't listened to me before, I'm Leslie. I'm partnered with the #1 nutrition company in the world, Herbalife Nutrition. Now, it's really, really exciting because I've been able to work from home while being a full-time mum, being a full-time entrepreneur, and just be able to help so many people. Now, I've been doing this for the past 33 years, so I can honestly say it really, really works. I haven't had to have another job to supplement my income, and it's been amazing that the successes that the company has brought to me just by doing the work that I enjoy doing. So I started out 33 years ago as an overweight, broke teacher of 5 to 7-year-olds. And I'd been doing that for 13 years. I'd got all my degrees, qualifications, and whatever I could get in that field. And I'd reached a ceiling, this glass ceiling of income. I also didn't really have a life of my own because although I was teaching other people's children, I didn't have any time to think about my own personal life and my own child or children, and I was getting older. So I thought, take a look at this company. I didn't really know whether it was going to work for me, but I went full in. And at the time, I actually lost 21 pounds in weight, which was weight that I needed to lose because it was 4 inches around my middle and 3 inches around my tummy and my hips. And I'd never been able to get rid of that with any other diet that I had ever done. So with this good nutrition, I was feeling so good, I was so energized, and people around me, like my mum, were asking me about what I was doing. And I shared those results with people, and my own results, their results, repeat business, referral business, everything just started taking off, really without me thinking too hard about, am I starting a long-term business? It was really just an idea to make a little bit of extra money to supplement my teaching job. But within a couple of months, I was starting to really feel that this is going to be something more than just a weight loss program that I was recommending to other people. So I took a plunge and I gave up my teaching job and I went straight into building this as a business. And I worked hard, I won't lie. For the first 5 years, I worked very hard and focused really hard on my business. But you know what? I worked hard when I was a teacher and I wasn't increasing my income. So this was a really exciting new way of moving forward in my life. Not only was I improving my health and that of the people around me, but I was also able to bring on board some more people like myself who wanted to make some extra income. Now, they weren't all mums. I know I've started this video talking about perfect business for mums, but it's something that I've come to realize now. So when I got started, I was recruiting people I was recruiting men for a start, who worked in all kinds of industries, in retail, in marketing, and all kinds, right across the board. I have to say not many teachers, because somehow or other teachers are so overwhelmed by the things that they have to do every single day, and they seem to know better about what they're doing than anybody else's opinion. They didn't really want to look at what I was doing. In other words, they thought it was just some kind of happy clappy American thing. But I can honestly say that I am so glad that I stuck to it, because this happy clappy American thing really proved to be successful for me. Now, I'm not going to say that it's because I made some sort of clever decision. It was just lucky. It was complete luck that I came across Herbalife Nutrition. It was complete luck that I decided I was fed up with where I was going, that my life was leading nowhere. And so I thought, let's just have a gamble on something. And it's really paid off. So as the years went by, for the first 5 years, I put in a lot of effort, just as I would have done in my teaching job. But every time I saw, a teacher with a little line of a crocodile of children walking down the street, perhaps to the local library or something like that, I'd think, oh, I'm glad I'm not doing that. And that would keep me going with what I was doing with my Herbalife business. So I worked from home, starting actually with a telephone line, because when I started, there was no internet and mobile phones or anything like that. I just had a telephone line. People were answering ads of mine, and I worked from home from my kitchen table, and that's how I got started. And over the years, I've just kept things going. And moved with the times, obviously. I've now got a mobile phone, I've now got a YouTube channel, I've got Facebook groups, everything that is available today. That wasn't what I started with. However, what I did start with were the best products and the most honest marketing system in the world that pays you for the work that you do. So, just to get to the cut about where I consider this to be the best business for mums, is that, 5 years into my business, I decided, well, I was getting on a little bit, but luckily I was still on a health program, and I wanted to just check out whether I could, in fact, get pregnant. So at the age of 42, I had a very, very healthy delivery, having used the Herbalife Nutrition products throughout my pregnancy. I had a lovely, healthy baby, and she's grown up using the Herbalife Nutrition products, first of all in utero, then via breastfeeding, and then herself being nourished by the Herbalife Nutrition products, which I do all the time. So as a result of being an entrepreneur as a Herbalife Nutrition businesswoman, and having a baby and a child growing up, I was able to continue doing my work from home and at the same time do all the things that mums love to do. And mums and dads, I would have to add. We both used to be able to choose when to have time off, whether certainly picking up from school, bringing our daughter home, being able to go on school trips and school outings and have, take holidays whenever we needed to, and to be around her full time. And we didn't have any more children, just the one was plenty for us. And also, as I said, I was getting on. But the thing is, for the last 27 years, our daughter has been this wonderful child that we've been able to give full attention to, but at the same time, give everything to, because our business has been successful. It's not just about selling products to individuals. Yes, I have some customers, of course. But what this business does is I help to recruit and train other people into my team and develop little groups, little clusters of customers around different people who can serve our customers in the way that we believe is the distributor difference in 95 countries around the world. So I'm not going to really go into how we market everything on this video. If you're interested, please do get in touch with me. I've got the details at the bottom of this video, and I will be happy to go into what I consider to be really the best business for mums, because you can just choose how and when you want to spend your time, how you want to make as much money or as little money as you wish. We provide you with the best products in the world. We have a wonderful service and a fantastic backup and support system too. So, there's a lot to tell you about, basically, but I just wanted to give you an overview that really, because of doing this business, it has given me my life where I can spend as I choose with my family and just have a life. have my own life on my terms and make an income on my terms. And the income is actually limitless. So the harder you work, the more you get paid. And then it kind of tends to carry on for you. So I haven't had to work as hard as I used to do before, but every now and again, if I want to pick up the reins and start making it go a bit faster, that's there too. So right now I'm looking to recruit and mentor some people who may want to do the same as me. If it's not for you, maybe you could pass this video on to somebody else who may be looking for something. At this time, you know, health is the most important industry. Health is the most important thing that you can be doing for yourself and your family. So this is what this business is all about. And not only can you be healthy physically, but you can also be very healthy financially. So do drop me a message. I look forward to hearing from you soon. And let's work something out for you too, so you can have your life as well. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.